Welcome back. We are covering number 4 of 20 tips to get you started with Microsoft OneNote. Again, if you're currently taking notes via manually or analog on a notebook or printer paper or a stack of paper, whatever that looks like, or in Microsoft Word or Excel, it's time to expand your horizons and try Microsoft OneNote. And we're giving some 20 basic tips here to get you going. If you're a Power OneNote user, this is probably not for you, but you can certainly share this playlist with other noobs that you're trying to encourage to try out OneNote. If you're a manager and want your team to start using OneNotes for consistency among team notes too, this is another great video series for you to have people check out. Encourage you to share that with them. And today is number 4, use the Immersive Reader tool. So before we get started, I want to encourage you to click the subscribe button, click the thumbs up, and click the alert button. If you've been here multiple times, it's time to subscribe and commit to Uncle Paul and free advice from your uncle. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the use the Immersive Reader tool here. I'm going to jump over here and again, I'm going to hit Control Z and move it back to the original text here, okay? So let's do this. We're covering the Immersive Reader, okay? And so what I want to do is that you have to go over to the View tab here, okay? And when we recorded before, that we were in Insert, right? And we also just recently did Translate. So you want to go over to View, and this is where you'll find your Immersive Reader. So let's do this. I'm going to turn up my volume a little bit so you can hear how it translates, but let's just do this, okay? We're going to get a little fancy on this video, but let's do this. I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to click on the Immersive Reader, and let's see what happens. All right, you see this new menu comes up here. You see what's, it's kind of letting you know this is where you are. We're going to click play.
Hello, my name is Inigo Montoya. You killed my father. Prepare to die.
There you go. Pretty straightforward. You can click the back button, and that's it. All right, so let's do this. Let's get fancy here. And let's see what happens when we click on the translate button. I'm going to click on the selection here. I'm going to go to Spanish. We're going to click insert, and I'm going to close this up, and we're going to highlight this. And let's see what happens when we click the Immersive Reader now. Uh-oh, looks like Microsoft has their act together.
Hola, mi nombre es Íñigo Montoya. Mataste a mi padre. Prepárate para morir.
Sounded just like me when I read it last time. So I think that's pretty cool, right? Again, this is pretty straightforward though. I gave you all the sections to go, and I'm going to hit Control Z. So again, it's that simple. You got to highlight it. Let's see what happens when we don't highlight it. Oops. Let's click off of it, and we'll click the Immersive Reader. Yeah, it's just going to read within the content here of the page. It's not going to read the title.
Hello, my name is Inigo Montoya. You killed my father. Prepare to die.
So, and let's click on the settings here again, because again, I think you can change it to male here as well, right?
Hello, my name is Inigo Montoya. You killed my father. Prepare to die.
Yeah, he sounds too formal, not very threatening, by the way, so or very sad about his father being killed. So anyway, that's going to do it for this video. I appreciate you stopping by, but before we go, do me a favor, click the thumbs up, and if you give me a like on this, if you appreciate this video or the other videos, the link to the playlist is in the video description section. Click the subscribe button if you've been back multiple times. It's time to commit to Uncle Paul and free advice from your uncle, and then click the alert button to be notified of future video content that comes out. Thanks again, and we'll talk to you at the next video.